Soups are the ultimate comfort food, and this delicious cauliflower soup is sure to impress. This creamy cauliflower soup is made with oven-roasted cauliflower, a few warm seasonings, and topped with golden fried onions. Let's get cooking! If you're new here, my name is Kitty, and this channel is all about sharing my passion for delicious Middle Eastern recipes, food traditions, and culture with a special focus on my beloved country, Jordan. Before we get to the recipe, let's have a quick look at the ingredients. Naturally, cauliflower is the main ingredient to this soup. The freshness of your vegetables greatly affects the taste, so be sure to pick a cauliflower that is fully fresh. A regular yellow onion. Water is the base of your soup. The amount of water can be adjusted depending on your liking. I like to add some cream or milk to the soup to add to the taste and creaminess. You can adjust the cream-water ratio to your liking to get a creamier consistency. Garlic adds to the flavor of your soup, but it's optional. If using, be sure to use garlic cloves, not powder or paste. I recommend you use butter for this soup. The taste of butter pairs wonderfully with the soup. If you don't have it available, simply use canola oil instead. A stock cube will add some flavor. Besides, you need the following powdered spices: cumin, coriander, turmeric, salt, pepper, and optionally a pinch of nutmeg. There's a link in the description box for a complete list of ingredients and amounts which you can save or print out. Ready to make cauliflower soup? Yalla, let's get started. Start off by preparing the cauliflower. Chop the cauliflower into bite-sized florets. Arrange the florets on a baking tray with parchment paper. Roast them in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes until they are fully tender. Roasting the cauliflower instead of cooking it in water will add to the taste of the soup. While the cauliflower is roasting in the oven, it's time to prepare our vegetables. Peel the garlic cloves and crush them using a mortar and pestle, or finely chop using a knife. Peel the onion and finely chop it. Heat butter in a large saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter has melted, add the garlic and fry for 30 seconds to release the flavor. Then add the chopped onion and fry on medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes until slightly golden and soft. If you're familiar with some of my other recipes, you might know that I usually fry my onions for about 3 to 4 minutes until translucent. For this recipe, I fry them for at least twice as long, about 10 minutes, to get softer and sweeter onions. Set aside some of the fried onions for garnish. Keep the remaining ones in the saucepan. Once the cauliflower is ready, remove it from the oven. Add the roasted cauliflower to the other ingredients in the saucepan. Stir well to combine with the onions. Now add the seasonings: salt, pepper, coriander, cumin, turmeric, and nutmeg if using. Stir again. Briefly fry over medium heat for about 1 to 2 minutes to allow the flavors to combine. Next, we'll add our liquids. Add hot water along with cream or milk to the saucepan. For some additional flavor, I also added chicken stock cube. Bring the soup to a boil and cook for about 5 minutes. The amount of water depends on your liking. More water means a more runny consistency, while less water makes for a thicker consistency. Depending on how creamy you'd like your soup to be, you can adjust the water-cream ratio to your liking. The more cream you add, the creamier your soup will be. After about 5 minutes, turn off the stove. Use an immersion blender to blend the soup into a smooth consistency. If you don't have an immersion blender like me in this video, you could use a smoothie maker instead. In that case, leave the soup to cool a bit and blend in small batches. I like my soup best when the consistency is thick and creamy. If you prefer more runny consistency, you can blend the soup a little longer and add more water, cream or milk. To serve, pour the soup into small bowls. Add some of the fried onions that you set aside for garnish earlier. If you like, you can also garnish with some finely chopped parsley. Serve with cut up lemon and bread. And that's it. Your cauliflower soup is ready. Sahtin, enjoy!